So today, since it's Tuesday, it's Taco Tuesday, we are going to make some tacos that consist of walnuts and mushrooms and some riced cauliflower. So we're just going to go ahead and put all of these. I don't have a big enough bowl, so I'm going to mix it in my pan here.
How much mushroom is it?
That's 8 ounces of mushrooms that's chopped up, 1 cup of chopped up walnuts. I'm going to put in 1 bag of riced cauliflower, because I'm going to tear, or if you have a head of cauliflower, just rice up a head of cauliflower. Put that in there. Then to that, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of soy sauce, or you can use amino acids or whatever you have on hand, tamari.
And you're using a low sodium soy sauce?
Yes. So 1/4 cup. We're going to pour this over that and just kind of mix it all together. Spread it around in there. I'm going to just use the one that has the mushrooms. We're going to go with some chili powder here. You want quite a bit of chili powder, so you're looking at a couple tablespoons full. Might be easier for me to try to dig into there. And then we want cumin, about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit less. And then we're going to go with a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Hopefully I have a teaspoon of smoked. Might be a little less in here. And then a teaspoon of garlic powder. And same of onion powder. And then you want about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Then we just want to mix this together and pour it over and mix it in really good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle this in here. And then I'm just going to mix it up really well. Make sure everything is coated. Your oven should be set at 350. We will put it in the oven and bake this. Now that this is all mixed up good, we're just going to go ahead. I've got a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to go ahead and put it on here.
Looks like taco meat.
Yeah. This is a little more than I'd normally put on here, but because of the size of the microwave convection oven, this is the largest pan I could put in here. So we're going to put it in there for 30 minutes. Then we're going to stir it up. And then put it in another 10 to 15. I might have to put it a little bit longer just because I'm doing a thicker layer because my pan's smaller. But if you have a regular size cookie sheet, that will be plenty of time for you. So 350 for 30 minutes to start with. And then we'll stir in another 10 to 15. squeeze. There we go. Okay, I'm going to take this out now. And we're just going to stir this all up. Smells so good.
It smells very good.
Okay, and then I'm just going to stick it back in.
What?
Probably for about 15 minutes.
Thought it was eating time.
Scott's not listening to directions. So back in it goes. Unfortunately, I have to reset this part of it. Move this over a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna set this for 15 minutes. But I would start yours at 10 minutes and check it then. You don't want it to burn, but since I do have that thicker layer because I have the smaller cookie sheet, I'm gonna go ahead for the 15 minutes. Alright, cooked or baked for another 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna stir it up real good here. Definitely smells like I've been making tacos in here. And so you're just gonna make however you would regular tacos. Scott likes hard shell, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill these up for him. Try not to make too much of a mess.
That's enough.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in some salsa. You can top them however you like. Scott likes fire sauce, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that on now so it gets down in here. Go ahead and put a little bit of lettuce. Don't want to break it. I'll sprinkle just a little bit of cheese on top here. It is vegan. And we're good to go. Oh, sorry, sour cream. Forgot the sour cream.
Which you made in a previous video.
Yes, I'll put a link to it. Now we're good to go.